Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick running late get ready with me. As you can see, I've already started. So for primer, I just moisturized my face with some of my Catrice setting spray. I also added some of my e.l.f. booster drops, and this is some of the Milani Prime poreless primer. It's like hydrating. It's like so good. I love this primer. So then I'm going to just move on to my foundation, and this is the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Foundation. This is actually one of my favorite foundations. I haven't used it in a while, so I was kind of thinking like, what's something that I can use that's going to be really quick, blend out easy, and wear all day. And I was like, CoverGirl True Blend Matte. So I popped that one out, and like I said, it's one of my favorites. And I'm using my Morphe blender sponge to blend that out all over my face. So now we're going to move on to concealer. This is the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Concealer, and you guys, I'm loving this concealer. I have had it for about a week, and I'm really enjoying it. So it wears really nice, and it blends out really nice. And so I really like the way that it highlights my face. So I am loving it. And I'm also just using that same Morphe sponge to blend everything out, to blend my concealer out again. So now we're going to do some cream contouring. You guys know that I'm using my Black Opal foundation stick in Suede Mocha to do some bronzing. And I love to do this when I'm trying to run out the door, because it just adds color back to my face really quick, and I don't have to think about it. I know it works. So now I'm just going to set my face. I am actually using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I forgot to show it because I was actually on my way to work this morning. So I'm using my favorite Laura Mercier translucent powder to set everything. And then I just took a powder brush and went back into the Laura Mercier powder to set the rest of my face. Now we're going to do some bronzing. I'm taking my Morphe 8H dark palette, and I am going to be bronzing up my face. And I think that is Fabulous, or I forgot the name of the bronzer. It's so terrible, but I love this palette, you guys. I've been loving it since I got it. So I am using that to add some more color back to my face and to set where I put that cream contour. So now I'm taking a fluffy brush. This brush is from Morphe, and I'm going into the bronzer, and I am throwing this in the crease of my eyes. And I love to do this when I'm rushing and running out of the door. And I just do, sometimes I just have to have eyeshadow on my eyes. So I really like to just use my bronzer. It's, I don't have to break out another palette. I don't have to do anything extra. I know that it's gonna work with my skin smooth. So I just throw my bronzer in the crease of my eye with a big old fluffy brush and just blend it on out. I'm taking some of the oh wait, no, that's the same bronzer right here. I'm taking some of like the lighter one, and then I'm just gonna throw that on my lid to just lighten up my lid a little bit. And my eyes are so hooded, you guys, so this takes like 5 seconds to do. So yeah, this is a really quick eye look that I love to do. And then I'm just going to go back in there and just, blend everything out, make it look pretty and seamless and just really natural. So I love to do this trick. Now, what am I doing? I'm taking, this might be the Jordana Coffee Bean liner. Yeah, that's what it is. Jordana Coffee Bean. And I'm just going under my eyes. Now I am taking my Essence, these are the Metal Shock eyeshadows, and I'm going in the inner corner of my eye to brighten it up, and to give myself just a pop of color in the eye, and to just kind of wake the eyes up. So I love using these for that. I'm taking my e.l.f. blush in Wanderlust, and I am just going to apply that to the cheeks. This is actually one of my favorite blushes. I don't use it enough anymore. I used to use it all the time, but these little e.l.f. black blushes are really awesome. And now I am just going to take, once again, Jordana Coffee Bean and line my lips, and just get it ready for my liquid lipstick, you guys. So I have been obsessed with these liquid lipstick. Well, this liquid lipstick is from Physicians Formula, and it's just called, I think, nude or some type of nude. I can't remember, But if you haven't tried those new Physician Formula liquid lipsticks, please give them a go. They're so good. And this is the packaging, because I remembered I forgot to show it. I'm just going to throw on some mascara. I am going to put on lashes, but I just wanted to pop on some mascara to get my lashes ready right now. So yes. Now I'm going to go into my highlight. I'm just going to mix those two. Same Morphe 8H palette. And I am just going to highlight the tops of my cheeks and, you know, my nose, cupid bow, all of that good stuff. And then I'm going to be finished and ready to go. I actually reset my face with the Catrice setting spray, but I forgot to show it. So here is the completed look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this really simple video, really quick to the point, something cute, something simple to get you out the door. Please share your tips with me down below on late makeup. Follow me on social media, subscribe, comment, and ring the notification bell, and I will see you guys later. Bye.